Let's move and take this example. In how many ways can 11 players be selected out of 15 cricket players if there is no restriction? One of them must be included. One of them who is in bad uniform must always be excluded. Two of them are leg spinners. One and only one leg spinner must be selected. Try them, Vidya.
Okay, sir. I'll solve them one by one. I have to select 11 players from 15. 11 players can be selected out of 15 players in 15C 11 ways. Okay, 15C 11, say NCR, which is NC n minus R. I studied above. Then 15C 11 equals 15C 4 or 15 factorial upon 4 factorial into 11 factorial. Cancelling 11 factorial, we have 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 upon 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 equals 1365 ways. Am I right, sir?
Very good. Now take the second case.
Okay, it says one of the players must be included. Since particular player must be included, we need to select 10 players out of
remaining 14 players, Vidya, which can be done in 14C10 ways. And 14C10 equals 14 factorial by 10 factorial 4 factorial is equal to 14 into 13 into 12 into 11. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is 1001 ways.
Okay, sir. I understood. If one player is included, then I don't have to take it in calculation.
Now the third case is one of them who is in bad uniform must always be excluded.
Since a particular player must always be excluded, so we have to choose 11 players out of remaining 14 players.
Right, Vidya. And this can be done in 14C11 ways.
Okay, it will be 14 factorial upon 11 factorial into 3 factorial equals 14 into 13 into 12 upon 3 into 2 into 1. That is 364 ways. Now considering the last one, it says 2 of them are leg spinners. One and only one leg spinner must be selected. Okay, 2 are leg spinners, then 13 are other players. So I'll select one spinner and 10 other players. Thus, one leg spinner can be chosen out of 2 in 2C1 ways. And we have to select 10 more players out of 13 because second leg spinner can't be included. So this can be done in 13C10 ways. And required number of ways is equal to 2C1 into 13C10 or 2C1 into 13 factorial upon 10 factorial into 3 factorial equals 2 into 13 into 12 into 11 upon 3 into 2 into 1. That is 2 into 286 or 572 ways.
Very good, Vidya.